Hey everyone, I am driving around downtown, heading to my next service call. My question is the EPA helping our industry or hurting our industry? They have a lot of regulations, regulations on the HVAC industry, and it's always changing. Now, my question is, when it comes to the consumer and it comes to the small business person or a big business person, is the EPA hurting or helping? I know that there was a refrigerant scare at the beginning of 2013, and I do believe that is because the EPA did not tell DuPont and all of the other refrigerant companies out there, Freon, didn't tell them how many tons of refrigerant they were allowed to make until I do believe May or June or something like that. So, and then that you have up north where they have to go with 90% furnaces on change outs. I guess unless there's special exceptions, are not allowed to install an 80% fired furnace. Well, anyways, I'll quit rambling. Let me know what you think. Like, comment, subscribe. Is the EPA hurting or helping our industry?